Hello everyone, welcome back. In this section, we're going to talk about tuples. So a tuple is a collection of data type in Python that is used to store multiple items in a single variable. They are useful for grouping related data type together, especially when data should remain constant. So now we are going to discuss the differences between tuples that we are going to discuss in this section with lists that we learned in the previous section. So tuples generally are immutable. It means that they cannot change after creation. They cannot be changed after creation, okay? But in lists, we saw that they are mutable. It means that we could add elements, we could remove elements, and generally we could modify the elements. This is not possible to be done in tuples. And when we want to define tuples, we use parentheses. However, when we wanted to define lists, we were using square brackets. In general, in terms of performance, tuples are faster because they are not changeable. They are immutable because of their immutability. However, lists are slower because they are mutable, because we can change them. Because of this option, they are slower. And typically, in terms of the memory usage, tuples are smaller in memory, while lists are more using memory size as compared to tuples. And tuples generally are used for fixed data or the constant values, while lists are used for dynamic data that changes frequently. So these are the main differences that we can mention between tuples and lists. In the next videos, we are going to learn how to declare and initialize tuples and how to do certain operations using tuples. Thank you for watching.